Find or read reviews that people are talking about Tidolo double camping chair, oversized folding Loveseat camping chair for adult. Why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Comfortable double chair. This spacious camping chair comfortably seats two, with a supportive backrest for ultimate relaxation. Perfect for camping, tailgating, BBQs, the beach, and backyard use. Enjoy cozy moments with your partner, friends, or pets. Heavy duty and oversized, designed for durability, this oversized camping chair supports up to 600 pounds. Crafted from sturdy 600D Oxford fabric, it offers long-lasting performance for all your outdoor adventures. Portable and lightweight, weighing just 12.8 pounds, this Loveseat camping chair folds down to a compact 37.8 x 10.2 x 7.9 inches. It includes a carry bag for easy transport, making it perfect for on-the-go use. Convenient storage, equipped with back mesh pockets, this double-seat camping chair provides handy storage for hats, sunglasses, snacks, and other small essentials, keeping everything within easy reach and organized. Dual cup and wine glass holders. The unique design features 2 Cuban pesos and wine glass holders, ensuring your favorite beverages are always close at hand as you relax. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.